Hey guys, welcome back to BlondieNextDoor. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen. Now, there's one more thing that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you have been following me, you know that I already reviewed a couple of kitchen appliances from Redmond company, and I'm happy to say that I'm gonna review this time one more. And I'm probably going to make a little mini series reviewing some kitchen appliances that I really think that are a must in a kitchen, or they're just making our life easier, which honestly we all need that, I believe. I know I do. So this time I'm going to show you the toaster, and it's not any kind of toaster. This toaster is a 4-slot toaster, which makes my life so much easier, and I was so excited to get it. So I'm gonna show you all that, and I apologize for my voice. I have been sick for the past whole week. I couldn't talk, so this video have been on hold, but it's gonna be well worth it. But before we start, I want to just thank Redmond company for providing me with this toaster. I'm gonna link their website and also the Instagram handle in the description box down below. You guys can go ahead and check it out. They always have some kind of sales going on, and honestly, I'm sure you can find something that is gonna suit your needs. So now let's go ahead and get started. So here it is. This is the 4-slot toaster that I recently got. I'm super excited about it. As you can see, it not only looks very pretty, it has a sleek stainless steel design. It also has 4 slots, which makes really my life easier. My breakfast or lunch or anytime we use it, it is way faster. Both sides of this toaster have a bagel and a defrost option, which is great. We really use that often. Also, you will see there is 6 levels of heat settings, so you can really choose how perfect do you want your toast to be. When you go online, you will see a couple different options, color options to choose from. I decided on a stainless steel because it matches majority of my appliances, but there's other ones that are pretty as well. And of course, toaster comes with a manual and also with this sheet that shows you all the heat levels, so you can exactly see how your toast will turn out. At this particular day, I chose level 3, and you will see when it comes out, it definitely matches the picture, which shows me that this toaster works great. I'm going to link in the description box where you can go ahead and take a look or purchase this toaster. Everybody uses Amazon these days, so that is a very convenient place to go and buy it. I'm also going to have a link for you guys, so find that in the description box as well, so you can get a 10% off. One more feature that this toaster has, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is that on the bottom you have a place where to store the cord, which is super convenient. And now let's go on to cleaning. I'm not going to talk too much. As you can notice, my voice is still not completely back, and I don't sound really good. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy, get motivated, and listen to a great music.
Take what's mine and I leave behind.
take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart, heart feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better.
That's all I had for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you. So please click that red subscribe button, join my YouTube family. Thank you, Redmond company, for providing this product for me to show you guys. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box and their website. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Hold up.